Legally Speaking with Crocker Law Firm.
We'd all like to save money on car insurance. Cyndi, you handle car accident cases every day. What advice do you have for us?
My advice is you have to be careful shopping for car insurance because all policies are not the same. So sometimes you can save 15% or get car insurance for less, but you're really getting less insurance. My advice is to figure out what insurance you need and then compare similar policies. So first, consider what you need in terms of liability insurance. This is the part of your policy that will pay someone if you hurt them. In Kentucky, there's a minimum limit. You can't buy less than $25,000. But we have claims every day that are worth a whole lot more than that. So what can happen if you have a small policy is that the person who's injured may not accept your insurance policy and be done. They may sue you for the difference between how much insurance you have and what their claim is worth. So if you have assets to protect, you probably want more than minimum limits insurance.
But what if I'm in a wreck and I'm the person who's hurt?
Yeah, that's a good question. You really can't control how much insurance the other person has. So you can buy for yourself things like uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage. Uninsured motorist coverage will come into play if you're hit by somebody with no insurance at all. Your policy will basically stand in his shoes and pay your losses. Underinsured motorist coverage is similar, but the other person has insurance. Like we were just talking, they may only have $25,000 and you may have a much bigger claim. You'll be able to turn to your own policy to make up some of that difference. The other helpful thing about uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage is that it can apply even if you're not in your vehicle. It can apply if you're a passenger in someone else's vehicle. It can apply if you're hit as a pedestrian.
That's great. I love knowing that there are things that we can do to protect ourselves when we're buying car insurance. Thank you, Cyndi. Join us next time for Legally Speaking.
For more information about this and other topics, visit us at crockerfirm.com.